Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to get EBT cash, which could be a game changer if you're navigating financial challenges. EBT, or Electronic Benefits Transfer, is a system used in the US to provide cash assistance through programs like TANF, Temporary Assistance for Needy Families. It's designed to help with essentials like rent, utilities, and other necessities. But how do you get started? Let's break it down step by step. First things first, you need to check if you're eligible. Generally, eligibility depends on your income, household size, and assets. For example, if your household income is below a certain federal poverty level, you might qualify. Each state has its own guidelines, so visit your state's official benefits website or contact your local social services office to get the specifics. Don't worry, it's straightforward and often based on factors like unemployment or disability. Once you've confirmed eligibility, the next step is to apply. You can do this online through your state's benefits portal, over the phone, or in person at a local office. Gather your documents beforehand. Things like proof of identity, income statements, residency proof, and details about your household. The application process usually takes a few weeks, so be patient and follow up if needed. After approval, you'll receive an EBT card, which works like a debit card. You can use it to withdraw cash from ATMs or make purchases at authorized locations. Remember, funds are loaded monthly, so keep an eye on your balance through the card's app or website. A few tips to make this smoother. Double-check all your information to avoid delays, and if you're denied, you can appeal the decision. Also, use resources like 211.org for additional support. EBT isn't just about getting by, it's about building stability. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's empower each other, stay strong, and take care.